Ukraine's drone army takes out a lot of Russian tanks, while Russia claim their tanks take out a lot of Ukrainian drones. As seen multiple times, Ukrainian drone getting completely destroyed by the tank, leaving nothing of the drone left. But in a very rare instance, a Russian tank actually destroyed a drone. While firing its main gun, it seems a drone exploded which was in the way, most likely going in for an attack. As the barrel was stationary before the shot and the poor surrounding awareness, the tank crew most likely didn't even know the drone was in front of them, letting an extremely lucky shot to destroy the drone, while the more common result is a damaged or destroyed tank. This tank gets to keep going for a little longer. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.